Houston's stormy season. Hail, winds, humidity, UV dents vehicles, dings paint, and cuts resale value. Paintless Dent Removal (PDR) quickly fixes dents without repainting or fillers, preserving factory finish and integrity cost-effectively. PDR uses specialized tools, heat, and lighting to reshape metal via factory points, meeting OEM standards, preventing rust, and avoiding paint decay. PDR is especially effective for minor dents where the paint remains intact, such as hail damage or parking lot door dings. However, deeper dents, cracked paint, or stretched metal may require hybrid repairs or traditional refinishing for optimal durability. Houston insurers often approve PDR for storm damage affordable and same day for minor fixes. Costs typically range from $75 to $350 per dent, making PDR up to 60 to 70% cheaper than conventional body shop repairs. Document storm damage ASAP for claims. Pick PDR techs with mobile service, warranties, and photo estimates. Preventive steps such as covered parking, hail blankets, and regular inspections can further reduce damage risks. Overall, professional PDR services provide an environmentally friendly and efficient way to preserve a vehicle's appearance and long-term value in Houston's harsh weather conditions. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.